Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2654 refers to a problem within the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit, indicating that the circuit is experiencing high voltage levels. The rocker arm oil control solenoid plays a crucial role in managing oil flow to the rocker arms, which directly affects engine performance and efficiency. Located near the cylinder head, this solenoid regulates variable valve timing, VVT, by controlling oil pressure. Elevated voltage may result in erratic VVT operation, leading to poor engine performance. This error code indicates a potential electrical issue within the solenoid circuit that needs to be diagnosed and addressed. Understanding this code and its implications is essential for achieving optimal engine performance in Honda Civics from 2016 to 2021. The error description for DTC P2654 indicates a high voltage condition within the circuit of the rocker arm oil control solenoid. This solenoid is integral to the operation of the variable valve timing, VVT system, which adjusts the timing of the intake and exhaust valves for better engine performance and efficiency. The solenoid itself is typically located near the cylinder head, where it can effectively manage oil distribution to the rocker arms. If the circuit experiences high voltage, it can lead to erratic behavior, potentially causing issues such as reduced power output, increased emissions, and poor fuel efficiency. Identifying this issue is crucial since it can affect overall vehicle performance. Proper troubleshooting should start immediately to prevent further complications. Several factors can lead to the activation of DTC P2654. A short to power in the VTSEX wire, which connects the rocker arm oil control solenoid to the powertrain control module, PCM, is a primary concern. This might occur if the wire has become damaged or frayed, creating an unintended electrical path. Additionally, loose or corroded connections at the solenoid or PCM can introduce resistance in the system, resulting in voltage irregularities. Another potential cause could be a malfunctioning powertrain control module, PCM itself, which may misinterpret normal operational signals, leading to false DTC indications. Therefore, each of these possible causes must be examined during troubleshooting to determine the exact source of the problem. When DTC P2654 occurs, several symptoms might manifest, significantly affecting vehicle operation. You may notice a decline in engine performance, including decreased power and responsiveness during acceleration. Additionally, increased exhaust emissions might be observed due to improper valve timing and combustion processes within the engine. A check engine light will likely illuminate on the dashboard to inform the driver of an underlying issue. Furthermore, if the VVT system operates erratically, it can create unsettling noises or vibrations during engine operation. Monitoring these symptoms closely allows for timely intervention to enhance driving experience and maintain vehicle reliability. For the first step in troubleshooting DTC P2654, you will begin by turning the ignition switch to the on position without starting the engine. This allows various systems to initialize and provides a platform to clear any stored DTCs using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. After clearing the DTC, switch the vehicle to the off mode and restart the engine. This process will help in determining if the DTC reoccurs. After restarting, utilize the HDS again to check for confirmed or pending DTCs. If DTC P2654 appears again, it confirms a persistent fault in the system, warranting further investigation. If not, the issue may be transient, requiring a check for poor connections or intermittent failures. In the next step, you will conduct a shorted wire check by utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to jump the SCS line. This procedure should be followed by waiting for over 1 minute, allowing the system to stabilize. After this, disconnect the PCM connector number 1, which is typically a 96-pin connector located within the engine compartment. With the connector removed, turn the ignition switch to the on position again, ensuring that the engine remains off. At this point, measure the voltage between the specified test points on the PCM connector to determine if there is battery voltage present. This will help identify whether the VTS-EX wire is shorted to power or functioning correctly. Upon measuring the voltage in the previous step, you must consider the readings obtained. If battery voltage is present between the specified test points, this indicates a short to power in the VTX-EX wire connecting the PCM to the rocker arm oil control solenoid. In this situation, a repair should involve identifying and rectifying the shorted segment of the wire to restore normal function. Conversely, if there is no battery voltage detected, this suggests that the VTX-EX wire is in satisfactory condition, warranting further investigation. At this point, reference any authorized service information associated with DTCs or symptoms observed. It may also be prudent to substitute a known good PCM to assess whether it resolves the issue, making it easier to determine if the original PCM was faulty. After completing repairs based on previous troubleshooting steps, it's important to conduct a final verification. This involves taking the vehicle for a test drive under various driving conditions to ensure that everything operates smoothly. Following the test drive, recheck for any DTCs using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. A successful repair is indicated by the absence of DTC P2654 in the system. If the code does reappear, further investigation is warranted to ensure that all possible issues have been identified and remedied. Ultimately, this phase is crucial for confirming that repairs have restored the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit's functionality. Preventive maintenance is vital to ensure the longevity and reliability of vehicle components, particularly in systems affected by error codes like DTC P2654. Regular inspections of the wiring associated with the rocker arm oil control solenoid and the PCM can help identify any signs of wear or damage before they lead to faults. Furthermore, routinely checking the powertrain control module helps ascertain that all electrical signals are interpreted accurately, preventing premature component failures. Ensuring that connectors are kept clean and secure is also essential, as corrosion can create resistance in electrical circuits. Implementing these practices can significantly reduce the occurrence of similar DTCs in the future, ultimately preserving vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding the significance of DTC P2654 is essential for any Honda Civic owner or technician. This DTC indicates a critical issue within the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit that can severely impact engine performance. Following a thorough troubleshooting process helps in accurately diagnosing and addressing the problem, restoring optimal vehicle functionality. Additionally, implementing preventive maintenance strategies can aid in mitigating future occurrences of similar issues, ensuring long-term vehicle reliability. Collectively, these steps equip car owners and technicians with the knowledge required to maintain engine performance efficiently, safeguarding against issues associated with high-voltage conditions in solenoids. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.